Alright, we're gonna record the noon siren. It's going to go off at any moment in like 2 minutes. There it is right there. We got a good shot of it. This is a Darley champion siren, if y'all haven't noticed. Pretty sure they don't do it manually. Pretty sure they use signals, but it will happen soon. There's the panel. That is the siren.
Stand over there so you can. Where? Here.
It's gonna start at any moment.
Are you recording right now?
Yes.
Area.
You check what time it is?
It's 11:59.
11:59. Alright, so it's gonna activate in like a minute. What was this thing built again?
1946?
1946. Yeah, this thing was built in 1946. So this is an old siren. And yet it still works very well.
I think it was 1942.
Yeah, I don't know. And it still works very well. You can hear it being very far away. You don't know how loud it's going to be when we're this close. So,
Noon on the dot.
pretty sure they're using radio towers to turn it on. Oh. Look at that. we got it. I think you can see it. The blower, no, not the blower, but the sound thing rotating. Let's get a view from this. Wasn't as loud as I expected up close. I could definitely hear it fine. It wasn't even that loud up close. I thought it was gonna be like bad, but because it's so high, the sound goes right above us because it's omni-directional and the way it's built.
Alright.
Mom, look, you can still see it rotating.
Yeah, you can.
I don't think the camera can get it because of the darkness.
Yeah, it's not the best weather.
Yeah.
Alright, we got it.
Yep. Go break and stuff. It's right here at the town hall.
Surroundings.
It's here right there. Alright. Well, this is going to be the video of the Darley champion Siren. Hope y'all have a good day. And I'll see y'all next time.